Alright, so today we're making a Kentucky quarter into a coin ring, and I'm going to try and do it in 10 minutes. Wish me luck. Boom. It's on the way. It's pretty cute, man. That is the tiniest ring I've ever made. So it's kind of special. But I knew when you asked for it, I was like, I gotta give it a try. And it came out pretty good. So I'm stoked to see what you do with it. TikTok says tap the screen to attract more people. Y'all tap the screen for me real quick. So there's another video I tagged you in of it. I didn't take too many, so I was excited to ship it off to you. Freaking awesome. I seen the one where you threw your glasses in the air and then hit them. I was like, gosh, that was awesome. You got some impressive skill, my friend. So what we're doing here, for anybody who's just joined in, I'm making a Kentucky quarter into a coin ring. I'm trying to do it in less than 10 minutes because I have to go to work at 5 o'clock. So I'm not super chatty on this one. If you guys have a free minute, please visit my website and tap the Whatnot $15 credit. If you sign up through that link, you'll get $15 off your first purchase on Whatnot. Whatnot is a live auction app. Pretty cool. And you'll get $15 off your first purchase. So just visit coinringmaker.com, tap that button, and sign up. And buy something, you know? I think that's a pretty good deal. They've been nice enough to give me that link, so y'all be nice enough to use it, right? It's gonna be a 10.5, so we're gonna stretch it up to 11.5. Let's see where we're at. 10.5 right now. We gotta go up one more size. That's 11. Getting there. If anybody out there would like to get a coin made into a ring, feel free to visit coinringmaker.com. All different kinds of coin ring options there. Quarters, half dollars, dollars, American Eagles, 1 ounce silver rounds. Check it out. Thanks for stopping by, Splash. This one's going by pretty quick. We're trying to get done in under 10 minutes. Pretty dang close. Did you end up getting to work on your calendar last night? Cleaning up some paint, I believe it. We you go, size 10.5. La, 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 la. Steel wool. It's officially ordered. Well, I'm going to have to get me one of yours. So let me know when they're on your website. Yeah. $380 likes on this live. Ring completed in under 10 minutes. Let's go. If you'd like to get a free coin ring, there's a pinned video on my profile that'll show you how to do it. There we go. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you on the next live. Bye.